Hello guys, hope you are doing great. I'm Sampath. Today I will show you overview about Apollo.io and how to use Apollo filters to get our targeted data. If you can watch this video up to end, you will understand everything clearly. Or if you want me to help you with providing your targeted live Apollo data, or if you want like 10K, 50K, 100K, even 500K, 1 million also, I can provide you within a very reasonable price. If you want my services, you can reach out to me. I mentioned my contact details in the description box. You can directly message me on WhatsApp or you can approach me through other social media platforms. You need to filter your targeted results on Apollo. Suppose, for example, here if you can see 10K, 50K, 100K. So just share with me these results, this URL. So I will open that URL my side and I will download your targeted data and I can provide it to you for a very reasonable price. Whether if you want cold calling list, whether if you want email list, or if you want to scrap targeted data on LinkedIn and enrich through Apollo. So anything I can help you with that. As I said, if you want my services, you can reach out to me through my WhatsApp or other social media profiles. Now let us jump into the Apollo.io. For example, if you can see here, Apollo having get 233 million database actually. So here if you can see, these are the Apollo filters. We can utilize these filters to get our targeted data. Now I will go through one by one filter so that you can understand everything clearly. So first filter, I'm going to the email status. If you can see here email status, I'm clicking this one. If you can see verified, unverified, unavailable. So if you click the verified, then we will get only the good data. So if you click the unverified, unavailable means we might get wrong data, or if we might end up with data without email IDs. So, but if you can get the verified, we will get the good data. Suppose if you can see here, now 83 million data. So now it reduced almost like 60% data is gone. Now we are able to see only 40% data. So if you can filter verified, this means like we can have a chance to get only the good data. So now after this email status filter, now if you can go through the employee size, so here we can have a chance to filter based on our targeted employee size. Suppose for example, if you want small companies, we can filter 1 to 10, 11 to 20 or 21 to 50. Or if you want large companies, we can also filter the whatever we want. Okay, here. So I'm just simply mentioning here 1 to 50. So next, after employee size, I will go to the location. You can see here, earlier it was like 83 million, right? Now it come down to around 70 million only. So now, next I will go to the location. Here you can see the location. I'm just clicking that one. Here you can see, we can filter the location based on city, state, country, zip code. Or if you want to do whole Europe, we can just simply type Europe so that we will get whole Europe data. Suppose for example here I will type United States. So United States. So if you can see here, contact location, headquarters location. Contact location means people we will get from that particular country only. So I want this database only for my targeted country. So that's why I'm simply typing here this country name. So here country, I'm just simply picking up United States. So we can enter targeted, suppose for example, New Jersey or New York, Miami, we can have a chance to filter based on city and state also. So now we have filtered email status, employee size, and location. Now we will go to the job titles. Suppose for example, if you want CEO, owner, suppose here we can have a chance to type our targeted job titles like CEO, or owner, something, marketing director, anything. Or we can have a chance to filter based on the management level also. Suppose if you can click here, these all comes under job titles. So you can see here owner level, founder level, C-suite, partner, VP, director. So we can directly filter based on the seniority levels here. So instead of the job titles, suppose here you can see owner, founder, C-suite. So then now we will get only these senior level job titles only. So or if you want like marketer, director level, entry level, so we can have a chance to filter these. So now you can see here data reduced up to 1 million. So here you can see department and job function. We can also filter job titles based on department and job function too. Here you can see education department, finance, human resources, IT department related, marketing, legal, sales. So we can filter based on the department level. So now here we simply filtered based on the management level, owner, founder, C-suite. So if you want, like we can also filter this, like top level people in marketing. So if you can click this, we will get data something like that. So this is it. So now if we want particular job titles, so here simply go to here job titles. Here we can select our targeted job title. Suppose for example, I will enter here CEO. Okay, so that we will get only the profiles related CEO. So that too, this management level only, owner, founder, suicide only. So now I will just type one job title so that you will understand better. Suppose CEO. Now I'm just simply clicking CEO. So here you can see now 1.1 million, right? Now data will reduce after entering the CEO. So if you can see, it is loading actually. So now it is 278,000 data based on our filters. So now we also apply job title. So we can also go to the industries. So here you can see, we can choose our targeted industries here. Suppose for example, I will choose only IT industry. So or pharma or manufacturing or like or something like uh, transport or anything related, we can have a chance to enter our targeted industry. Mm, Suppose for example, I will enter IT department, IT companies, okay, information technology and services. Okay, so that we will get only the IT companies related data. So here I entered the IT industry. We can also select multiple industries. So if you want real estate marketing, so or if you don't want data from particular industries, then we can also exclude here those industries also. I will also show you that. Here you can see, uh, here we can also exclude those industries. See, we can enter and exclude those industries data. Or we can also get the data based on the keyword based actually. So I'm just clicking this. I'm not able to close this. Why I'm not able to close this? Okay. So now we have entered industry IT. So once we enter the industry IT, we are getting only data related to IT industry only. Now here you can see only 43,000 data now we are able to see. So once this done, so we can also exclude the industries here. So we are included right here. We can also exclude the industries which we don't want, or we can also enter the our targeted keyword. Suppose for example, we want companies related to SaaS keyword. So we can also enter that keyword here, SaaS. Here you can see SaaS platform. So we can enter these keywords so that we will get data related to our keyword only. So now if you can see here 5.5K data it reduced. So now here you can see we have applied job titles, we have applied employee size, we have applied industry. So we have applied the keywords. We also applied the email status. So these are the main filters actually. So if I can tell you remaining filters, you might get little confused. But at present, if you are doing it first time or if you want to get basic idea, then these are the filters actually. So hopefully you'll understand, right? So here we can also enter multiple keywords. Suppose for example, SaaS, right? We mentioned we can also add the SaaS platform. See, note one point. If we add the SaaS, that doesn't mean we will get only the SaaS companies. So we might also get companies who are offering their services to SaaS also. So make sure we need to enter here the right keywords to get the right companies. So here, total, right? Total means like the total number of data. New set means the data we didn't save. Here, saved means data we saved actually. So if you want, we can select everything like this 5.5K. We can have a chance to apply save. So once we save the data, it will come to the saved actually. So once we go to the saved, we can simply download the data. So now I will also show you that how data looks like. So if you want to download the data, we need to go to the saved. But if you want like whole 5.5K data, we need to save that whole 5.5K data. So before downloading. So then only we can have a chance to download the data. So once we go to the saved, we can just simply here select all. Here you can see the here, right? So we can simply select all 1428 something. We can click apply. So once we click the apply, it will select everything. So once it's selected now, so we can have a chance to download the data. I will show you. It will take sometimes it will take a few minutes to load and everything. So that once it's get downloaded, we can have a chance to view the data. So I will also show you how to download now. See, note the point, like here total data means total data. So if you want to download the data, make sure we need to save here the data. Suppose here you can see the click export. So here export all email IDs, export verified. I will simply click the export all email IDs. So now I'm clicking this one. So once I click this one, so you can see your export is currently being processed. So it will be emailed to you when complete. So feel free to close this window. So it may take like 4 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it will take hardly like 1-2 minutes only. So we will wait and see how much time it will take. See, now it is finished. So we can simply click the download. So once we click the download, here you can see the file. So we can have a chance to view this file. This is another file. I'm trying to reopen this file. So this is the file actually. So now you can see here first name, last name, title, CEOs, and if you want to see the company name here, we have email IDs here. So here we have email status, Apollo email status. So here we can see the phone number, we can see the employee size, we can see the employee size, industry, keywords, social media URLs of that company. So you can see the location, company phone number, company location, company statistics, company funding related information, all this. I will go a little bit down. So you can see all the 1429 data. So hopefully you got the point right. So these are the main filters actually. So if you want to download the data, make sure we need to save the data. So hopefully you were very clear, right? So yeah, so if you want any doubts, if you have any doubts, please comment in the video comment section. Like as I said, or if you have any data requirement, you can just simply filter your targeted data and you can copy this link and you can share it with me. So I will download your targeted data so that I can provide you for a very reasonable price. So you can message me if you want my services. You can message me on WhatsApp or other social media platforms. And thank you very much for watching this video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you on next video, guys. Thank you.